Ready to simplify, automate, and improve your Google Ads results? Whether you're just getting started advertising on Google or you consider yourself an expert, Adzooma will save you time and money. It's the perfect example of harnessing machine learning and is available right now. Adzooma offers you a wide variety of features that break down complicated data and allow you to improve your performance with just a few clicks. This ensures every aspect of your account is working hard for your budget. Everything is designed to free you of time-consuming work, meaning you only have to deal with the most important decisions. It's easy to become overwhelmed when faced with a mountain of data. After all, it's only useful if you can make sense of it. Sometimes you need to quickly see how your Google Ads campaigns are performing without spending hours figuring everything out. Don't worry, Adzooma gives you a clear overview of your progress in the dashboard. By breaking it down, you can easily see with just a glance how things are going. You can see everything from the number of views, clicks and conversions to your total spend and conversion value. Below this are previews of your ads so you can see how they look to potential customers. But it won't damage your click-through rate and budget because you're not viewing them live. Next to this, you can see a snapshot of opportunities that are suggested for your account. You can view these in more detail in the Opportunities tab. As you can see, Adzooma's dashboard offers a simple, structured answer to effectively managing multiple accounts with ease. With all the essential information at your fingertips, you won't waste a second of your time. How do you know what changes to make in your Google Ads campaigns to improve your returns? Where do you start? Machine learning takes away this indecision and makes it fast and easy to choose the correct changes. Adzooma checks a large and growing number of opportunities, which are structured suggestions for improvements within your campaigns. Every recommendation is specific to your campaigns, so you can be sure your ads are working hard for your budget. But the Opportunity Engine doesn't just regurgitate the suggestions you'd find in your normal Google Ads account. It uses its own checks and best practices to make suggestions to improve your performance. And you don't have to trawl through reporting data or know exactly where to look. Adzooma gives you clear opportunities, which are different to those found in the Google Ads interface. For example, any spelling or grammar mistakes are automatically detected. This isn't something Google's own platform would do and could be a small thing that costs you greatly. Plus, any changes you make through Adzooma will seamlessly change on your Google account, so there's no need for you to log into your Google Ads account separately. So, you can benefit from in-depth knowledge all at the click of a button. With machine learning on your side, you can grow and work far more efficiently. No more frustration, confusion, or constant trial and error. Just simple, proven opportunities all at the click of your mouse. Even though Adzooma has a raft of opportunities to improve your results, if they're difficult or confusing to use, they're wasted. One of Adzooma's biggest strengths is that all the suggested improvements are all simple to view, use, and manage. You get a choice of 2 different ways to view your opportunities, so you can simply select the one that works best for you. You can easily switch between them at the top right of your screen. The grid view is ideal for smaller accounts, as you can instantly apply changes just by clicking a button. For a more detailed view, this list view allows you to queue your opportunities. You can apply a group of changes all at once, as well as see the benefits without having to action them just yet. So basically, Adzooma makes it easy to view your list of powerful opportunities. No hunting, no wasted time, just everything you need right where you need it to be. To consistently improve your Google Ads results, you need a structured way to implement changes. And for the best results, you need to choose your changes wisely. Thanks to Adzooma, you don't need to worry about that. We offer a large collection of proven opportunities which you can apply with just a few clicks. You need everything laid out clearly and concisely to make the best decisions, which is exactly what we've done. The opportunities are split into 4 categories: improve performance, reduce wasted spend, best practice, and account structure. Improve performance is specially designed to increase the number of impressions your ads receive, aiming to improve the click-through rate and conversions. Suggestions under this category will be things such as adding keywords, adjusting bids, and tightening the targeting to get more high-quality clicks. Each opportunity will give you a forecast of the additional clicks you'll get, as well as the time you'll save and the impressions you'll gain. Like all the opportunities, all you have to do is press Details to find out more and be able to make improvements with just a few clicks. The Reduce Wasted Spend category looks to free up your existing budget by adding negative keywords or pausing underperforming ones. Best Practice recommends things such as adding ad extensions or improving your landing page experience. The Opportunity Engine works hard to save you as much time as possible, so if it suggests adding a phone number or site links to your ads, it will have already found the relevant information and pre-filled in the boxes. All you have to do is click to say you're happy with the changes. Similarly, if you decide to write a new ad, you can do all of this inside Adzooma. The Account Structure category looks at things like fixing keyword conflicts or creating single keyword ads for high-performing topics. Some opportunities can be toggled on and off to make changes, so you can do everything quickly and easily. By optimizing these 4 crucial areas of your campaigns, Adzooma can make a big difference to your results. If the core parts of your campaigns are running efficiently, it's far easier to scale up your winning campaigns safely. The problem with some of the software and online platforms designed to help you improve your results is the lack of control you're given. Many times, it's their way or the highway, so your results are in someone else's hands. Adzooma is different. You get all the campaign boosting opportunities while staying in complete control of every aspect of your account. Whether the account is yours or a client's, you get the final say when it comes to any decision making. So whilst our Opportunity Engine makes suggestions as to how to make improvements, you're always in control. Every opportunity can be modified and changed to your liking, and the Opportunity Engine always learns from your feedback. You can also ignore an opportunity by simply pressing the Ignore button. The Opportunity Engine will then go back and revise them to suit you better. It will also remove suggestions if it no longer thinks they are the best option for your account. The opportunities you've added will be waiting at the top in a queue. There, you can see a running total of how much time you will have saved, and the predicted number of impressions and clicks you'll get from these changes. Once you're happy, you can press the Apply All button and the changes will be instantly pushed to your Google account. You can also see a summary of your improvements on the left, the total amount of time and money it's estimated that your implemented opportunities will save you. This clear breakdown means you get to see just how much your account is improving each and every time. In other words, with Adzooma, you don't have to worry about forced, automated changes that you can't switch off. You remain in complete control and can override anything that doesn't suit you. Nobody can monitor their Google Ads account 24/7, so it's no surprise that things can get missed and money wasted. Adzooma makes it simple to keep on top of changes with an easy-to-use automation feature. Easily set up different rules to come into play when certain criteria are filled. For instance, you could set up a rule to pause a campaign if it gets no clicks within 7 days. You choose a title and the campaign to apply it to. Then with just a few clicks, you can set the conditions of the rule and save. So for our example, the time frame would be 7 days with the number of clicks being less than 1. If this happens, the status would get changed to paused and a notification would get sent. You can set up Adzooma to notify you when a rule has been implemented or even just to update you that the terms of the rule have become true. Doing this frees you up to spend time on other tasks that can impact your success more directly. The whole point of automation is to free up time and ensure efficiency across your campaigns. Adzooma uses machine learning to automate the management and optimization of your account, easily saving hours of time and improving results. When there's a long list of things to be done, it can be difficult to know what to prioritize. After all, you want to know which Google Ads tasks need your attention straight away. But Adzooma comes to your rescue by automating and prioritizing your task list. In the Management tab, you can find an instant one-screen evaluation of any account. This means it's easy to see what should be at the top of your to-do list. It's simple to toggle things on and off in one click, so you can quickly pause ads, resume ads, change budgets, and more. You can easily filter down into groups, campaigns, keywords to look at your ads at different levels. It's also quick for you to add new accounts with just a few clicks. You can connect multiple Google Ads Manager accounts to Adzooma, and all of the accounts within them will get imported to your dashboard. The main benefit of this is that you can grow your business and still be in total control of every client, all without having to hire more people. It's actually surprising to most people how easy it is to get the results they were looking for using Adzooma. With all of the advanced functions being simplified or automated, it's easy to use Adzooma's vast technical ability without a huge learning curve. You can make effective account management a breeze and harness our machine learning technology all from day one. So you can see how easy it is to make changes with Adzooma. With the best optimizations for your account being so easy to see, it means your time is used most effectively. Say goodbye to hunting through data for insights and save money with less effort than ever before.